Hey you guys, today I wanted to show you how I installed this wig from Olymei.com. This is a full Swiss lace front knotless box braided wig with baby hairs, and the length is 36 inches. The wig came very well packaged. It also came with 2 wig caps, eyelashes, and these really cute gold clips. Let me start off by saying that this was my first time installing any type of lace frontal wig. So if you like the way that I applied it and it looks fairly easy to you, then anybody could do it. The one thing that I really love about this lace frontal is I didn't have to sit in a chair for a long time to get my hair braided, and my head isn't really tight and heavy. The wig is very lightweight. So that's one thing that I really like about this idea. So I just used this got to be glued freeze spray to make sure that the wig cap stayed down, and surprisingly it did a really good job. I never knew how sticky it was. I just used the blow dryer and then the freeze spray, and then after that I applied it 2 or 3 times, and I did the same thing over and over. It was pretty much easy, and I can definitely get better at it, but it did the job. So here I'm just pulling my hair back so that I can see the lace and the baby hairs. I will admit that it was kind of difficult for me to get a good cut, and I wanted to keep the baby hairs long so that I could have more to work with when styling, but I accidentally took more than I would like off. But other than that, it was pretty much easy. So here I'm just using the spray. I don't know if I'm doing this part right, but for me it actually worked out. Let me know down in the comments how you apply your wigs. But I basically just used the got to be freeze spray, and then afterwards I came and I used the mousse, which the mousse was really a lifesaver. I feel like the mousse made everything lay down, and it also is kind of like a gel or like freeze too. So once I applied the mousse, everything kind of started coming together, and by the end of the day, which you'll see the video at the end and you saw it in the front, the wig turned out great. So no complaints over here. Then I just pretty much blow dried everything down. The blow dryer is a lifesaver. Something else that would have been helpful is if it had like some type of like silk scarf or cloth, but I'm sure everybody has one except for me. But yeah, now I'm pretty much done with the wig. I did come back and fix it a couple of more times, but this was the end of the day, hours and hours in the sun, and look how great it looks. So I want to say thank you so much to Olymei hair, and I want to say thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check the links down below if you want to check out the wig or check out my social medias, and I'll see you guys in the next one.